welcome to the vlog.
Wow, gardening time.
The color out here is extraordinary.
Vibrant. What do you think, Bubby?
So you know what time of the year it is.
What do you think?
It's time to start the garden.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna shake the keys.
Why? For the snake?
Yeah, if there's any snakes.
Bubby, what do you think? You gonna protect us?
Out of here.
Do you think that really does anything?
Maybe.
I don't see any.
You gotta give it a minute.
Bubby said, it's making me crazy.
Bubby, we've seen snakes in here so many times.
Yeah. Well, we got our new gloves.
I got a rake.
Maybe, yeah.
We're back.
All right. Oh my God.
We've been at it. Hard at work.
We probably shouldn't have eaten lunch first.
I mean, but then if we didn't, we would have been like, I'm hungry, I'm gonna pass out.
Yeah, I almost threw up like a couple times bending over.
You're gonna feel like crap either way.
Yeah, probably. Look, it looks a lot better than it was, though.
It does. We got a lot done.
Yeah, we did a little bit on the upper as well. The bugs are brutal out here.
This one definitely needed it more.
Yeah. Well, this one already has strawberries with flowers, and the asparagus is coming up already, so this one needed it more.
And the other one we can do, like, basically the day we're planting.
Yeah. Oh, but how about this pear tree? Look at these blossoms. It's got like 1 million blossoms on here right now. Oh, so beautiful. And the apple tree is also full of blossoms. Wonderful. Both of them. I'm not going to walk over there because there's a lot of bugs. But we stopped eating the grass. What are you doing, baby?
I'm surprised he stayed out this whole time. I thought he would have.
I know.
That means it's nice and cool for him.
Oh, look, it's Daddy. I've spotted a Sasquatch.
Oh.
Hi, Dad. Yeah. He came out to supervise. Bubby looks like that girl in the painting that is on the field and they're looking back at the house. He's laying on the grass. Where's your daddy? Go get your daddy. He said, Daddy, I didn't know you were out here. When are we going to do our adventures? What? Wow, look at this crab apple. This tree right here is a crab apple. Fun fact, half of the tree is red crab apples and the other is like green crab apples. Yeah. Looks like the forsythias bit the dust. Yeah. It's done for now.
Mrs. Robin just, I guess, spooked her when I went over there and she flew away.
Yesterday when Mark was out doing yard work, he found a robin's egg on the floor in the garden bed, and he brought it in thinking that we might hatch it.
I didn't know what to do with it.
Yeah, but then you found the nest, which was lucky because I really didn't want to get into hatching an egg. I didn't want to hurt it because I don't know anything about it. We don't have the right equipment or anything like that. So I'm glad you found the nest.
Yes. I hope it's...
There's Mrs. Robin right there.
It could be.
She's like, hey, how come you closed off the nest under the deck?
I didn't do it.
She had to find the new nest this year.
I forgot to put those bags out the other day.
Oh, yeah.
I'm getting so forgetful.
I know, you're an old man now.
No. This tree is really spread out quick.
Oh, it's amazing. Beautiful.
You have to trim some of it because it's going to hang over the deck.
I can't get over how weird this is. If you guys look up here, there's a different type of fir tree growing out of that fir tree.
I don't know what's going on there.
A bird must have dropped like a pine cone in there or something. And yeah, it's a different type. You can see it better on this side, although it's kind of backlit. That's like a proper
I don't know.
Spruce.
I don't know.
And this is like a cypress type?
No, I don't know. It looks like the same type, but it's just the shape.
No, it's not the same type at all. Trust me, it's completely different.
Come over here and look.
I am looking.
See, it has these little tufts at the end.
Yeah, but all of the pines have that right now. Oh, the lilacs are in bloom too over here.
Yeah.
And the grapevine is also starting. Lovely. And the pool looks like a
Yeah.
dirty, dirty
I've
fountain.
gotten a lot of the leaves out,
Oh, that's good.
and I'll probably give it a dose of
Algicide? Yeah. Good for you. All right, thank you. Oh, hi.
Hello.
We just got back from shopping. That was a lot. The weather's really bad today. It's pretty much pouring out there. But you can see Maddie and I, we did do a good job on the garden. Tomorrow's family D&D day. And Bowie's excited because that means he gets visitors. He's pretending not to know what's going on under there right now. Hey, Bubby. He's just on his muddy mat.
Cloak of invisibility.
Yes, his cloak. So we went to a few stores today. We went to Michael's. We're not going to talk about that. We just got a couple of skeins of yarn each. Then after that, we went to BJ's, which was stressful. We got 2 cases of water, a case of seltzer. I got this giant vat of General Tso's sauce. Hope it's good. Iron Kitchen. Some decent bread. Some sausage. Vegan, of course. Oatmeal creamer, or deer pellets as I like to refer to them. They're actually chocolate covered pomegranate little things. And some Owen to drink, because you drink one of those a day at least, right?
One.
Yeah. Sorry, I look hideous right now because I got caught in the rain all day. After after BJ's, we went to Aldi, where we got some good stuff. We got some nice fresh sweet potatoes and a cucumber and a cantaloupe. 2 packages of pepper and onion blend. Another red curry soup, which was marked down to $1.15. Some sourdough rosemary crackers. I've seen these before. I've been wanting to try them. Obviously, there's wheat in there, so I can't eat too many of those. Black beans, organic. Our favorite artisan lettuce blend. We had these the other day, and I have to say they were fantastic. The Phillows, Cuban black beans. This is the one in mild. I got 2 more of them. Haven't tried the tamales yet, but I got another one to try. They also have medium. I think they might have like hot as well. I guess the other ones are as good, but I really like the Cuban black beans. I like black beans. Then after that, we went to ShopRite. Sean had a bit of a meltdown. We had to get him French fries in between because he wasn't having it. He was really starting to rage. He gets very hangry. Hangry. A state of anger caused by lack of food, hunger, causing a negative change in emotional state. My mother was the queen of hangry. Him too. He's the king. Alright, so we got some... He was well fed too, though. I don't understand it. We got some mild sausage. The other ones were spicy. Sean wanted his heroes versus villains snack packs for his lunchbox. They had the Newman's pizza marked down, so we got one of those. We got some fixins for non-vegan s'mores for tomorrow. We already have the plant-based ones, so I figured I'll get the regular ones for the people who want to eat regular s'mores. We got some vegan yellow rice mix here. Our favorite olive oil, the Atlas one. Pomegranate juice. They had the Violife on sale, so I got 2 of those. They had the tofu on sale again for $1.49, which is great, and I love this brand a lot. Italian flour, some olives, some plastic forks to put in lunch boxes. The Daring was still $4.99, so I got 2 packages of that. And vanilla milk is back on the menu, baby. Well, no, I don't know if it's vanilla or not, but it's not chocolate. For a while there, they only had the chocolate milk, which is fine. But I do like the plain one too. It's got less sugar, I feel like, but you can't beat this if you're looking for a protein milk. 13 grams of complete plant protein per serving. So I'm going to be using that either on my cereal or in like my protein ice cream, which I will use a scoop of protein powder in there too, so that really ups the protein. It's important to get enough protein, especially at my age, which is 61, because I don't want to fall victim to sarcopenia. So I need to get a decent amount of protein. I'm not saying I need like a ridiculous amount. I need a decent amount. Everybody should be interested in getting some good quality protein every day. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, God bless.
you.
Lemmy said, hi, everyone. I'm enjoying the sunshine today,
Yes.
even though it's quite loud in here.
Hi, big puppy.
Wow, the gang's all here. Alright. It's Monday evening.
Yes.
The sun's going downish.
I must geo soon.
I know. Everyone knows.
Okay.
Oh. Lammy just ran away from Mark.
Lammy said, Brett Summer.
Yeah, Brad Summer. That's her, alright. Ugh, my sciatica on my right leg is really acting up today.
Sorry.
It says, get up off your butt. You've been crocheting too long.
Get off your ass and do some math.
Yes. Well, we have some very special birthday shout-outs to do.
Do.
Today, born on this day 49 years ago, is none other than the very famous in the crochet world,
Rosa!
Rosa!
Rosa, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, girl!
We hope you're having a wonderful day.
Yes.
Right, Bubby?
I hope a lot of patterns get bought today.
Yeah, well, we hope you have a wonderful day.
Well, that will make a wonderful day for her.
I mean, I think it would help, right?
Yeah, of course. The creator of, what's the famous...
Reggie the Frog.
Reggie the Frog. Everybody's going crazy for it.
As they should.
It is a great pattern.
Yeah.
Alright, we're also going to mention her on tomorrow's crochet video, just the way that the videos fall, that it got messed up.
Yeah.
So that's wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow, you know whose birthday tomorrow is?
It's my sister's kitty cat Zoe's birthday.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Happy birthday, Zozo.
Zoe's a mom.
Zoe is a mom.
Mm-hmm.
She's mother.
She is mother. And her kitten got adopted
By somebody else.
By somebody else, yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm excited because it's Zoe's first birthday in the family.
I know. So special.
And I believe she is the same as Lammy. She's 3 years old.
Lammy. Lammy said,
Lammy.
my niece is my age.
And she's a mom.
Yeah.
She said, I'm a spinster. You made me that way.
Lammy is a grand aunt.
Grand dame.
She's a grant.
She's a second cousin.
Yeah. That's right. Right, Bubby?
That's how they do that.
Yes.
Alright. And on Wednesday. Oh. My chat's blowing up for my pattern test.
I know.
It was quiet all day long.
Well,
and now
everybody's
it's
done
blowing
with
up.
work and they're doing their tests.
I know, including me.
Yes.
Alright, so it's Scott Stewart's birthday.
Scott, happy birthday.
Hannah wanted us to wish you a very happy birthday today.
Of course.
So I hope that you're having one.
Yes.
I hope all of the birthday recipients, both human and non-humans, both mentioned and unmentionable.
Yes. Oh my god, that reminds me. Sorry, go ahead and finish
No, you go.
first. No, you finish first because I'm going to take us off track.
Okay. I hope you're all living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Yes, absolutely.
Today was the first day I dressed for spring, really.
Oh, wow.
I have no socks on.
Whoa!
I know.
That's big for you.
It is huge.
I was going to say, because you mentioned non-human, I finished Project Hail Mary, the book.
Oh,
It was so good.
really?
Very, very well done. Can't wait to see the movie. I know they extended the theatrical run, so I'm hoping that Sean and I can maybe go this weekend. Maybe. I think that'd be a lot of fun.
Do you think your father-in-law got his book back yet?
I don't think he got it back yet.
Oh, no!
I don't know, though. And now I started reading Game Changer. Thank you. Shout out to Christine for letting me know that Heated Rivalry is not the first book in the series.
Right.
So I did end up getting the first one on my Kindle.
There's like 7 books.
I know. I'm going to read the first 2 for now, and then probably like take a break and read other things, and then I might come back to it, because I'm enjoying book 1 so far.
There's a lot of adventures in that series.
Yeah. Well, I think it's all different people, too. Or like
is
some
it?
of them are different people.
But isn't it all hockey themed?
I think it's all hockey themed, yeah. But it's really good so far, so thank you for the recommendation.
Yeah.
We'll report back as I read it.
I don't read, but everybody already knew that because I say it all the time.
You do say it a lot.
I actually told the postmaster that today too, and he said I don't either.
Oh. Okay.
He said I'm too tired to read.
To each their own.
We're old, that's why.
It's all good.
He's somewhere in age between the two of us.
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah. So he
Alright.
knows. He's getting old.
Okay.
Because I said, I can't get down with these kids today. They're all excited about their books. Like, oh, this book's coming out, or that book's coming out. I don't read. He's like, yeah. I don't
Everybody's
either.
got their hobbies.
You consider that a hobby?
Reading?
Yeah.
I consider reading a hobby.
Okay.
Why? What would you consider it?
Life? I don't know.
I think it's a hobby.
I mean, it's not a hobby when you're in school and you have to read.
Well, no. That's the great thing about being an adult. I have time for
Pleasure reading?
pleasurable reading.
Not just studying?
I was just thinking about that the other day, being in school and like just not having the time to read like actual books that I wanted to read.
Right.
Because you're so busy with reading for school.
And they give you ridiculous assignments.
Like in college, yeah.
Like you gotta read a 1,000-page book in a week or something.
Alright, you're responsible for the next 10 chapters of this textbook, and you have 3 days.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, multiply that by like 6 classes.
Yeah, so good luck. I'm glad I'm done with school.
Me too.
Now I just learn from life.
I should have just gone to the School of Hard Knocks.
I mean, you kind of did.
I did, but I should have started there.
Yeah. Well, I don't regret getting a college education.
Well, good for you.
I value it.
You're still paying for it too.
Yeah, but I think education is important.
Education is very important, but there's more than one way
Maddie, what's it?
Yes.
Episodes, this
to
spot goes to the party
obtain
from
an
Halloween.
education.
Not everyone needs the same type of education.
Exactly.
Maddie, what's it? The episode, the adventure spot. The spot goes to the party of Halloween.
Halloween party for Spot.
Spot goes to a party.
Wonderful.
That's all he needed to know.
All right.
Usually the answer is in the question.
Yeah.
Jim has a video.
Sometimes. Sometimes it's not.
Yeah, sometimes he'll start with the
Bill
answer
Bunny,
and then
animal
he'll say,
song.
like when he asks what type of a pony is a certain
Happy
pony.
Poppy.
Well, sometimes he just wants you to go like,
Yeah.
like literally, that's what he wants you to do.
Yeah,
Ah!
White chocolate.
So you just gotta listen to the questions.
exactly. The answer is usually there.
Well, anyway, that brings us to the end of another vlog.
Did I happen to mention the answer is usually there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you all so much for watching. We hope you all have a wonderful week.
Yeah.
And-
it's going to be nice-ish this week, except for the rain.
But we
But-
need it.
The temperature is going to be manageable.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So thank you all so much for watching. We will see you soon. And until next time, much love.